In 2013, you were one of the DGPs along with the Uttar Pradesh and Tamil Nadu DGPs who sort of pushed the button on one of those issues that the police rarely deal with, which is the issue of the huge trust deficit between the largest minority, Muslim minority, and the police. Has there been enough cognizance of this issue taken, the reports that you submitted by the previous government and now by this government?
Well, the report was presented in a forum of the DG's conference last year in 2013. The format is that the host organization, which is the Intelligence Bureau, makes a synopsis of all the papers that are presented and forwards a report to the Ministry of Home Affairs, which I am sure they have done in this case also. Last year in 2013, the conference took place sometime in the month of November. I am sure soon after that, that report has gone. What the Ministry of Home Affairs has done, I have no ways of knowing it. But after sending our report to the government, to the Intelligence Bureau, as a member of the committee, I had deemed it necessary to forward my own copy of my submission to the state government, which I duly did last year somewhere in the month of July. I don't think that the elected government was made aware of that report.
Isn't that quite unfortunate? Does that mean that the issue of communalism does not deserve due attention from the executive, or what is it? Because one of the things you had said is that issues like, you know, having an idol at the police station or the tilak on the forehead, or the way Bakrid is celebrated when there's a diverse population and there can be misunderstandings, that these are issues which the government together needs to deal with along with the sections of the people.
So I am sure that those issues are important and they need to be dealt with, and they need to be dealt with by several departments of the government together and not just the police. The police are an important role to play in maintaining of peace and order, but the issues go beyond that. Well, we did what we could do at our level, making the government aware of what we felt, and it was for the bureaucracy to forward it to the elected government. I don't think that has happened.
Will you follow that up with this government?
We have followed it up since then on several occasions. We will continue to follow it up.
In that report, I think you were also very scathing of the corporate sector and saying that the corporate sector has not done enough through its CSR on the issues of minorities and diversity projects, etc., to improve the socio-economic status, the revenue department, many other issues.
We did say, the report did say that the private sector, as a part of its CSR, does not wish to spend on building a communal harmony because it doesn't add to the brand value. And what doesn't add to the brand value, they would not like to spend money on that. So that's where that's what we had said, and perhaps I hope and I wish that somewhere the corporates would take a call on that.